RIMS Dental College na Northeast ki Oina Corn Beam Computer Tomography Cbct ki Khudongchaba Meeyam Da Phanghangadouri RIMS ki Dental College ta Cbct room amangasi Director RIMS Professor G Sunil Kumar Sarmana Professor N Sanjeev Singh Medical Superintendent Amadi Professor B Pravin Reddy Principal of the Dental College RIMS yauna room adu sangka kray Hariba Cbct unit aduda dental diagnostics amadi treatment planning sing mapung fana pangthokpa ngamlagani.
We have added a very high-end machine, CT machine in the Department of Oral Medicine and Radiology in the Dental College. And this is one of the very high-end machine in the field of dentistry, and this will enhance the sort of the very fine work in terms of implants and the other dental related studies also, and this is one of the first in the entire Northeast in the government setup, and this will improve the dental service to the larger population of the country. And also I refer to our Principal Dental College to say a few words and to succeed to explain few words. Thank you.
This is a boon to the Manipur people, because with this we can do a variety of treatment to the patient and at a minimal cost. So, and not only that, this is one of the latest equipment which gives less radiation compared to other CBCTs. So in Northeast, this is the first institute which we bought for patient.